Hello all, welcome to NSA Maths. So the next example on the formation of partial differential equation. The question is form a partial differential equation for z is equals to x plus a into y plus b. So first of all write the given differential equation. Z is equals to x plus a into y plus b. Call it as equation number 1. See, in this differential equation there are two constants a and b, and here z is a function of x and y. So differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y. So first with respect to x, so derivative of z with respect to x, that is dA by x is equals to with respect to x derivative is first of all derivative of x plus a with respect to x it is 1 into this y plus b as it is. This can be written as dA by x, it is p is equals to y plus b. Quadratize equation number 2. And similarly differentiate 1 with respect to y. So dA by y is equals to, so first of all derivative of first term it is 0 with respect to y. So first term get cancelled, and by using u into v rule, now derivative of second term, first term as it is, derivative of second term is 1 with respect to y, so you will get x plus a. See once again the derivative dA by x. So here there are two terms in multiplication. So with respect to x, this term is a constant term, keep constant term as it is, and derivative of x plus a it is 1. And for derivative of z with respect to y, there are two terms, out of that x plus a it is a constant term, keep as it is, and derivative of y plus b it is 1. This implies dA by y is nothing but q is equals to x plus a. So put the value of y plus b and x plus a in equation 1. Put in equation number 1. So what you will get? Z is equals to x plus a, it is q, and y plus b it is p. That is z is equals to pq. This is a required partial differential equation. Next example. Form a partial differential equation for ax square plus by square plus z square equals to 1. So first of all write given equation. It is ax square plus by square plus z square equals to 1. Quadratize equation number 1. Now we are going to suppose that here z is function of x and y. That means z is a dependent variable and x and y are independent variables. So differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y. So first of all we differentiate this with respect to x. So a as it is, derivative of x square is 2x, so we will get 2ax. This term b is a constant term, and while taking derivative with respect to x, this y is also constant term, so this whole term is a constant term and derivative of constant term is 0, plus derivative of z square, it is 2z into dA by x is equals to derivative of 1 is 0. Divide whole equation by 2, so we will get ax plus z into dA by x is nothing but p is equals to 0. Quadratize equation number 2. Now similarly differentiate 1 with respect to y. So ax square is a constant term, derivative is 0. Derivative of by square is 2by. Derivative of z square is 2z into dA by y is equals to 0. Divide by 2 again, so by plus z into dA by y is q, it equals to 0. Quadratize equation number 3. Now find the value of a from 2 and b from 3. So from 2, what is value of a? A is equals to minus zp upon x, and from 3 value of b is equals to minus zq upon y. Put in 1. value of A is minus zp upon x and value of B is minus zq upon y. Put in this equation number 1, so we will get A is, it is minus zp upon x into x square. Value of B is minus zq upon y into y square plus z square is equals to 1. Now simplifying 1x get cancelled, we will get minus xzp, 1y get cancelled here, minus yzq plus z square equals to 1. So these two terms goes to RHS and this one comes in the LHS. You will get xzp plus yzq equals to z square minus 1. Taking z common, so you will get z into xp plus yq is equals to z square minus 1. So this is our final answer, that is required partial differential equation, that is a formation of partial differential equation. Then next example is to form a partial differential equation for x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square equals to z plus z square equals to a square. Here we have given that h and k are constant. So see in this, if you look at the differential equation or if you look at the given equation, this is not differential equation, it is actually the equation x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square plus z square equals to, we say it is a 0, consider it as a 0. Then see, so this h and k, there are two constant, so we have to eliminate this h and k. First suppose that z is function of x and y, so z is a function of x and y, that means we can say z is a dependent variable and x and y are independent variable. So this equation is called equation number 1. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y. So with respect to x, derivative is 2 times x minus h. With respect to the derivative of this y minus k bracket square, it is 0, and with respect to the derivative of z square is 2z dA by z by dA by x, it is 0. So that is x minus h plus z into p equals to 0, that is equation number 2. Then similarly with respect to y, derivative of x minus h bracket square, it is 0. Derivative of y minus k bracket square is 2 times y minus k, and derivative of z square is 2z dA by z by dA by y, it is 0. That is y minus k plus z into q is equals to 0, that is equation number 3. So from to find out the value of x minus h, so x minus h is equals to minus zp. From 3 find out the value of y minus k, so y minus k is equals to minus zq. Put in 1, so we will get x minus h bracket square, so that means minus zp bracket square plus y minus k bracket square, that is minus zq bracket square plus z square equals to 0, that is p square z square plus q square z square plus z square equals to 0, or you can say z square into p square plus q square plus 1 equals to 0. So this is required partial differential equation. So remaining examples we will see in the next video. Thank you.